people at Lasfit sent me these awesome headlights. They're the same ones that sent me my awesome custom laser fit floor mats for my car. These are their 13,000 lumen LED headlights. This is a model 9005. It's a high beam for 2004 Toyota Corolla. Let's check these out real quick. Oh, there goes the instructions. Gonna pull this out so we see what we're doing here. Has a spare rubber O-rings to go on your bulbs. Pull out one of these bulbs here. This model has the little like computer piece on it so they don't flicker on you and drive you crazy. Also, the plug is not attached right to the bulb, so it's easier to install these. Nice aluminum housing. Very well built product. Let's go check out the factory headlights, then we're going to install these and show you the difference. Okay, so we got the high beams rolling here. As you can see, not much difference from the low beams, which is really crazy. Looks like our rain's slowing down a little maybe. We're just out here on the side of the hill playing around. Go out here and take a look at our bulbs, see how they look from the outside. And now you can see the outside low beams are on and the inside high beams. Decent light, not great, real yellowish. He does have pretty clean headlight housings, so that's not a problem. So you can see looking out here, he can't see really well. They get the job done, but it's not the greatest for your own safety. So let's get these changed out and we'll show you how it looks with the LED bulbs from Lasfit. Okay, we're going to install the high beam here from Lasfit. On the low beams we had to switch the O-rings out, so I'm sure we're going to have to switch the O-rings out on the high beam. They fit too loose. Most of them that I've done several videos on headlights. I've never seen a pair come with this interchangeable O-ring piece to make it fit tighter. Did you get that upside down? You got your O-rings together. You got it upside down. O-rings are together. No, okay. O-ring should be on top. There you go. Shoot. Yeah, you flipped it on that one. All good. Gotta rip the old high beam out. These are 13,000 lumen, the low beam and high beam. So it's gonna be bright. Should give us a lot further distance, which is safer when you're driving down the road. You can see an obstacle out there further, and then you can stop in time before you end up hitting a deer or something like that. Don't rely on the deer to get out of the way when he sees your bright headlights coming, because most animals will stop and stare because they don't know what the hell's coming. There's that one. Got it switched out. Grab the other high beam. These are fairly easy as long as you can get into them. The ones by the battery are the tricky ones. Switching that other O-ring out. Pretty cool. You just press them down, turn them, pops right on there. Get the fit you want. That way they don't pop loose. He's had one come loose before, the cheaper ones. I also had some come loose, and the ones in my Geo, you could actually like spin them. They wouldn't really lock in there properly. Factory ones did, but the Oxido LED ones didn't. Always make sure they're locked in there good. You got them in right, because yeah, you don't want your headlight coming loose. So there we go. They're installed. Let's fire up the car, check it out. Okay, so we got the high beams on. You see, with my eyes, I can see the top of the hill behind that other hill. There's a big mountain back there. You can kind of see it up in here. So yeah, these high beams are pretty insane here. The color's great. It's wider, gives you a better view. You can really make objects out in the long distance, which is a lot safer driving. You can see obstacles and stop in time before you hit them. Might see an animal out there, might see something fell off a truck out in the road that could hurt your family. So spending a little extra money for a good quality headlight. I believe these were, the highs and lows reach $129.99 a set, if I remember correctly. Yeah, you can't, like, my phone dims it down. You can't even like look toward these freaking things. They're so bright. They don't have that LED flicker because they got the little computer piece on them to regulate them. Some kind of LED controller or whatever. You see, you can see clear up on top of the hill and stuff. It's really nice. So I'd like to thank the people over at Lasfit for sending me these. They're a great product. Like I said, this is my little brother's 04 Corolla. So they wanted me to do a video on these. My car's got all LED lights in it, factory, and they're way different. So I got them for this, and yeah, it really pays off. You can definitely see a lot. So when he's out doing farm work and stuff, he's got good visibility. So appreciate the headlights, and look forward to doing more reviews for the company if they want me to check out any of the other stuff. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks, and bye.